this is Tim. Welcome to Tim's Tips. In this series of videos, we're going to be looking at the all-new JUKI NX7. Stay tuned, I'm sure it's going to wow you. Hi and welcome back. Let's talk about changing the stitch plate or needle plate and changing the feed dogs. On the NX7, we can change both to a straight stitch professional style mode. In cases of starting to sew from the edge, it's a good idea to have that small hole so the fabric does not get pulled down into the needle hole of a regular zigzag opening. You want to turn the machine off or set it into the machine lock mode for safety. You're going to insert the T-screwdriver end into the front corner of the throat plate. Push down and then lift up to loosen or dislodge the needle plate from its locking mechanism. To physically remove it, you'll need to lift up on the right side and remove it to the right side, pulling it away so that the two prongs on the left side will be visible and they will clear their locking or holding position. Now that you've got that off, you want to remove the feed dogs. Our feed dogs can be removed with the use of that same T-screwdriver. Simply insert the screwdriver behind the feed dogs and press down and up, popping them out of position. Now take the straight stitch feed dogs from the front of the machine, push them to the back, making note of the little indentation behind the feed dogs that they sit onto the pin that is in the machine that is stationary. You want to push against that pin and then push down onto the feed dogs so that they lock into position. Now you'll want to take your straight stitch plate, coming from the right side, putting the pins underneath the guides on the left side, making sure that it is aligned properly so that there are no gaps on the left side of the plate as compared to the white plastic bed, and push down on the right side to lock it into position. The machine knows that you have inserted the straight stitch plate and straight stitch feeding system, so it will limit you as to which stitch patterns you may select.